Alright, in this video I will show you exactly how you can upload images on ChatGPT Unlimited. And as you can see right now, let me show you a preview of what the message will look like. Assuming now I want to upload an image to ChatGPT because I want to send him that to extract some details of the image, just as you can see it here right now. Please, can you explain this? I just asked him a questions. Can you explain this? I want him to explain what is on the image. So as you can see, within a minute, within some seconds, ChatGPT will extract the images and give me the details about it. Most of the time we want to use it. Look at this carefully. So now if I go there to upload another images, it will not work because of what? Which will show you the reason why it's not working. Almost every one of us knows about the reason. It is limit reaching. And I say in this video, I will prove you exactly how you can easily upload unlimited image on ChatGPT. Look at this. You are out of upload. I no longer be able to upload. I can't be upload anymore. So before we go there, let me go and search something that you can see physically, that the ChatGPT upload limit or requirement. Look at this carefully. You can search it, but I'm going to search it with you. ChatGPT requirement. You can upload a file that about 415 per file. As you can see here, 2 MB limit token. So that's a requirement based on ChatGPT on uploading image. So almost we reach this requirement. You can read them: file size, text document, and even some day spreadsheet. So there's some limit all the file we're going to upload. And a question may come into your mind: what is the limit of upload images or files? It's about 3 to 5 files in a day, depending on the image. Your question will be: how many files can I upload on to ChatGPT for PD per day? It's about 3 to 5. Or what is the upload limit on ChatGPT? As you can see it here. Does the ChatGPT have a limit? Of course, it has a limit. So how can we upload image on ChatGPT? That's exactly what I want to do. So if you're using mobile application, I highly recommend you. The first step is to switch between devices. Let me say application. If you're using desktop application, you should choose to mobile application. If you're using desktop application, you should switch to mobile application. And if you're using mobile application, you should switch to either desktop on website, web application, or desktop application. So it's different. Sometimes it will work, but most of the time it will not work. But I used to do it. Sometimes I will upload reach limit on ChatGPT on my mobile, then I go into my PC and it will work. The second step, if this is not the second step, which is the most important thing, is actually to switch account. Let me show you how am I doing it. Let me go into my ChatGPT for now, and I'll open it and I'll upload the image with a different account. This process is working. You can do it. Let me go and log out into my account. For example, once I log out into my account, I sign out, then I will log in into my second account because I have 2 accounts on ChatGPT. And similarly, this process will work. You can upload images. At least let me go and choose the account, sign up the account, and as you can see that I successfully log in into my second account on ChatGPT. Tap on the image folder and you will upload any image of your choice. As you can see here, it is available. So don't forget, the first one switched between mobile applications. The first one switched between applications. The second one is you switch to another account. Look at this cap. The first mention we mentioned. As you can see, I upload 3 images and ask ChatGPT to explain all of this to me, and actually it's working. That's the second one. But you see, most of the important thing, let you see the response. Okay, ChatGPT explaining the response for me. So all of this second method is not that kind of simple. It's simple, but let me tell you something. There's a way you can do it which is more than all of this second method, first and second method, and it is simple. Assuming you have reached the limit, because as much as you have one account, you have second account, you must also reach the limit of this. What you can do is simple and easy, but to get an account again. What I mean here, we are going to create another account in which we can use this to access ChatGPT always. For example, firstly, go into Play Store and search for Mail. It is a very important application that will help us to get email for free without wasting much of our time, and we can use it unlimited. So after you search it, the application is going to install by tapping on install and download it. Once you finish install, open the application. As you can see it here, once it open, application will give you the email you can use always to register on ChatGPT, which now we're gonna do it step by step on how to register. As you can see it here, copy the email you get, open your ChatGPT, and then tap on sign up. Okay, you're gonna sign up with ChatGPT by tapping on sign up. For example, I'm going to log out, sign off, not with Google, sign up, just tap on sign off. So tap on sign up, enter the email, tap on continue, and they'll send you an OTP. How you can get the OTP? Go back to that application you download, then open it, you will see an update. So now enter your password, tap on continue. Then an OTP, one-time password, will be sent to your account. Once you do go to that application, as you can see it here, I receive a mail from ChatGPT. Then I'll get the code by copying it, or 120153. Then I'll paste it here like this. I created ChatGPT account with different account. I'm coming 12. Okay, I'm coming. I'm just gonna write this. So continue. You can tell your full name. For example, this is just sample I'm going to show you. I'm going to write Eldnight Nexus, the name of my channel. Then choose the date of birth. I'm going to choose a random date of birth, as you can see it here. So we're going to do it step by step. It's simple. No phone number required. Just properly you can do it to upload the images. And prove me. I want to show you the proof. This is working real. You can do it. You can do it, and it's not against the rules. This is just for educational purpose, as you can see it here. So as you can see right now, I create another account, and if I tap, as you can see here, I'm just a newcomer like this. By tapping on photo icon, I can upload another images, as you can see it here, which is totally free. So how you get understand this procedure? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. By the time we release new video, you're the first one to get notice. And this is actually proven way to use ChatGPT to upload images. Once you finish, just change account and upload it again. No limitation. Thank you so much. Do have a nice day. I'm Eldnight Nexus. Bye.